guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to set custom battery alert notification sound on Windows 11. If you are missing those quite low battery alerts on your Windows 11 PC, today I am going to show you how to set a custom battery alert sound, whether it's something louder or uniquely yours. Okay, so for this guys, follow this method. First, press Windows key button and then press R from your keyboard, and here you need to type msys.cpl and then click on OK. So it will open the sound settings on your screen. Go to sound tab and scroll down and find out battery alerts. So as you can see guys, low battery alarm is here. So from here you can easily able to change the sound of your low battery. If you want to set custom, then click on browse and select the mp3 file from your PC. It will set the custom from here. Okay, click on apply and click on OK. That's it. So if you found our video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and drop a comment. Want more cool Windows tips like this? Stay tuned with us. Thanks for watching.